You gonna check that box out? Camille?
We should have labeled it. We did an experiment and put different things in each box to see which box they like.
Are you gonna try a different one? Oh, I'm gonna try that one now?
She's been in all of them now? She has, right?
I think so.
So she's gonna go to the last one.
Oh, there we go. Try that one.
Which one do you like the least? Is that the winner? I think that's the winner.
No, that's it.